Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into an exciting topic in the tech world, a new document database called Kronotop. If you're into data management, scalability, or just love the thrill of new tech innovations, you might find this especially intriguing. So, what exactly is Kronotop? Well, think of it as a new player in the database space that's compatible with the well-known Redis. But Kronotop brings something unique to the table. It's a distributed document database backed by FoundationDB. Now, for those who might not be familiar, FoundationDB is a highly reliable framework that allows for robust data storage and scalability. Kronotop is still in its early stages, which is pretty exciting. It's like catching a glimpse of a startup right before it takes off. It supports something called MQL-like query language, ACID transactions, meaning it's all about reliability when transactions are performed, and has an interesting storage engine designed around primary standby replication models. You could say it's focused on making transactions smooth and reliable. So let's break down what makes Kronotop stand out. First off, it's horizontally scalable and sharded by default. If that sounds like tech jargon, think of horizontal scaling as adding more lanes to a highway rather than just expanding the existing lanes. Better flow for more cars, or, in this case, more data. It supports flexible configurations too, whether you want a single or a multi-master deployment for your applications. One of its foundational features is the ZMap. Imagine trying to order all your books at home. ZMap works similarly as an ordered key-value store, allowing you to efficiently manage data. It's like having a librarian whose job is to keep everything in perfect order, making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. Now, here's a fun fact. If you're a Redis aficionado, you'll be glad to know that you can connect to Kronotop using any Redis client. That's essentially saying if you enjoy a certain coffee blend, you can enjoy it in a new cafe that has the same great taste, but a different atmosphere. Oh, and let's not forget about the potential for a rich blend of features from both. Let's also talk about namespaces. They're a way to isolate different data sets, which is incredibly useful if you have multiple microservices or applications running. Imagine you have different departments in a company and you want to keep their data separate yet accessible. That's what namespaces enable you to do, a clean, organized approach to data management. Speaking of transactions, Kronotop manages this via a set of commands, allowing you to commit or roll back changes as needed. It's a safety net for your data. Think of it like the undo button on that document you're working on, but even more robust, it can manage changes across multiple facets of your data stores. Now let's reflect on what we've learned today. Kronotop is not just another database. It's a promising mix of flexibility, reliability, and scalability backed by a strong foundation. With features designed for smart data management, it offers an exciting peek into the future of databases. So, whether you're a developer, a data scientist, or a tech enthusiast, keep your eye on Kronotop. It may just be the innovation that shapes how we handle data in the years to come. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about this. How do you see your applications evolving with new database technologies? Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring the boundless world of tech.